Welcome to Otisam Mathematics. In this video, we are to find the tens digit of 2013 squared minus 2013. Okay, let's see how we are going to do this. Now let's remember that if you have a large number, you can break it into thousands, into hundreds, into tens, into ones. Example, if you have 520, you can write the expanded form as 500 plus 20 plus 0 units. Yes, good. So in the same way, we can expand this one. 2013, we can write it as 2000 plus 13 all squared minus 2013. Now let's expand this one. So you have 2000 squared plus 2 times 2000 times 13 plus 13 squared minus, so 2013 too, we can write it as 2000 plus 13. So let's go ahead and then simplify. So 2000 squared is 4 million plus 2 times 2000 times 13, we have 52,000, and then we have 13 squared minus 2000 plus 13. Now remember, if you are using manual calculation and you want to add figures, you add the thousands alone, you add the tens, you add the units. Okay, so this will be, let's expand it. This 4 million plus, so 1000 minus 2000, then plus 13 squared minus 13. So you add all the thousands, you add all the tens, so on and so forth. So looking at this expression, it is clear that only the last two terms, look at these ones, only the last two terms, that is 13 squared minus 13, can have any effect on the tens and then the units. So 13 squared minus 13 will be, 13 squared is 169 minus 13. So we have 156. So if we are looking at the tens digit, that will be this one. So therefore, the tens digit is 5. That's all. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. If you are watching us for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button.